And when I started this journey, I really didn't. I got very much at the beginning of the. I mean, we were working on community for a good 6 years, and we had the idea of having. There was no fear from us. It was just like the world's changing. We want to have land and have a place to have community. And community for us was just really sharing things, like hanging out with like-minded people that are aligned, and then doing some stuff on the land. That was before we did the domes. And I was like, well, share, instead of having one tractor, 7 tractors, you have one. Instead of one lawn, you have one. And someone's got pets, you look after their pets, they look after your pets, and you kind of just carry the load. So 5 of us bought the land because we already identified prior to that there was a lot of communities where people had fantasies around community, and then went and bought it, and then it became a job, and then they had no money and they couldn't do anything. So we started with a group of 5 of us, and then basically we're able to get that land and then carry the load. And we've all got different skills. And we did the human design around our profiles as well to understand each other a little bit more and why we behaved the way we did, because we've got different experiences and different backgrounds, but our values are very closely aligned. And